Hey YouTube, this is Kirkus007. I'm gonna now be doing private stock, and I guess I get a jersey card in every pack, so there should be 6 packs in here, I believe. Anyway, I'll start opening them now, and if the video gets fuzzy, I will do a recap and show you and do the recap of it crystal clear. Alright, oops. Starting with pack number 1. 1 double-sided game-worn jersey card in every pack. 5 cards per pack. Okay. Mike Alstott, Hines Ward, not numbered, Brian Urlacher, Tony Gonzalez, Chris Taylor, and Darren McCants. Small jerseys back then. Let's see. Oh. Keyshawn Johnson. Torrey Holt. Peter Warrick. Tim Couch, looks like. Not numbered. Okay, so we got Jamal Lewis, jersey. And Mike Anderson. Double jersey. Next. Kind of stuck together. There we are. Marcus Robinson. Jeff Blake. Joey Galloway, Ordain Gadsden, whatever. Des White jersey, and Sylvester Morris jersey. 3 packs to go. Okay. We got Garrison Hurst, Tim Brown, Sammy Morris. We got a Players Fantasy Football Quincy Morgan. Numbered? No, it's not numbered. And then we have a Marcel Ship. And Bill Gramatica, whatever. Oh, God, these names. I give you permission to make fun of me for not getting these names correctly. Okay, we got a Chris Carter, Charles Woodson, Mahsin Muhammad, Edgerrin James. You got a Frank Sanders jersey, along with, oh, Terrell Owens. That's nice. Back in that day. That's cool. T.O. Next. We got a for some reason that looks fatter. Maybe not though. Sean Alexander, James Thrash. Got a serial numbered one, Chris Carter, 95 of 99. And then Mark Brunell. Ooh, and there's a patch. Marvin Minis. A double patch, I guess. And Derek Blaylock. So, Derek Blaylock, kind of yellow and white patch. Turn it around. Marvin Minis. Minus. 3-color patch. Nice. To recap it, I guess I should do this. The patch. The patches. Chris Carter, 95 of 99. If you can focus in there. Camera. There. Terrell Owens. Frank Sanders. That last name, Grammatica. Again, I give you permission to make fun of me for trying to pronounce these players' last names. It's not like baseball, where every last name makes sense. Okay. Marcel Ship. Sylvester Morris. And Des White. Jamal Lewis. And Mike Anderson. And last one, Chris Taylor. Darren McCants. Anyway, if you like what you saw, please subscribe, and I will subscribe to you as well. I'm going to start doing the nickels now. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.